Dr. Duck. Bob Buck was in his cot. Get up, Bob, said Dad. But Bob did not get up. I am hot, he said. Bob is sick, said Mom. Quick, I will ring Dr. Duck. Mom is a fusspot, said Dad. Mom Buck rang Dr. Duck. Come quick, she said. Bob is sick. Quack, quack, said Dr. Duck. He got his box of pills. I will mix this pill up with some milk, he said. Sip this, said Dr. Duck to Bob Buck. Yuck, said Bob, but he had to sip. Quack, quack, said Dr. Duck. I will come back in 6 days. When Dr. Duck came back, Bob was hopping and singing. But that Buck was in bed. I am hot. I am sick, he said. Bad luck, Dad, said Mom. That is fusspot, said Bob.